Dun 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 dun. Oh, God. It's backwards. It's backwards. To a road video, an unboxing on the road video. There you go, an unboxing on the road. Just using the Osmo Action to shoot this video real fast. Just stopped into a Best Buy. This Best Buy is actually kind of amazing. I mean, it's not because it's a great Best Buy, it's not. But it sits on the grounds of an old amusement park that doesn't exist anymore. At one time, it was called Circus World. Then it changed into Baseball Boardwalk. So it's on all this swampland. There was a baseball park here, and some Major League Baseball team, I forget who it was, Houston Astros or someone, used to do their spring training here, and it was a whole theme park. Went belly up and went out of business, and eventually a little mall, strip mall over here, went in, and luckily a Best Buy went in. So even though the theme park isn't here anymore, we can still come and enjoy our electronic shopping. Now, this is something I just paid for out of my pocket. It was not sent to me. This is a non-sponsored video, but it's something, it's not exactly what I came into the store for. I came in to get a Rode Video Micro wireless mic, but they're sold out in all of Central Florida. That's what the website says inside the store. So I couldn't get my Rode Wireless Go mic. So money was burning a hole in my pocket. It was burning a hole in my pocket. And I walked by this and I go, oh, this goes with the Samsung Note Ultra 20. It's brand new and it goes with it. And so I did a couple searches on YouTube about it, and Marquise Browning and some others really enjoyed it. So I said, you know what? I need something to, oh, sorry, Google. I need something to use my knife on. So I went ahead and got it. Ooh. Now, I really don't need them. I really don't need these. But at least I can't think of a use case scenario for them yet. Because for my live streams and stuff on YouTube, I do have my cans. And when I'm driving down the road, I have a Bluetooth stereo. So I just beam all my audio to that. But these may change all that. Okay, so much for editing, right? This is just going to be a one-take quick little vlog. So these are called Buds Live by Samsung, and they come in all the colors of the new Note series phones. So, dun dun dun. That's the ooh, it's nice. Now, supposedly, this is a really nice little charging case. Ooh, definitely not bad. You know what? Let's clip this video. Because the Osmo, I didn't know this. If you continue recording, the front-facing screen on the Osmo Action shuts off. I guess it still records, it's just you can't see yourself. So what a nice-looking case is that? Wow, clean. I don't know if they have a charge yet, and hopefully they do, because I'm going to show you how easy they are to sync. Look at those buds. They're beans. They're beans. Little beans. And there is a green light in there, so I'm assuming they're charged. So oh, let's go. There's more in the box here. So here is a micro USB Type-C cable. I'm sure that's what's in here, which you can never have too many of. You know, ooh, and some headbuds, and some headbuds are in there too. Don't want to lose those. But for the longest time, we were collecting regular USB Type-C cables, and everybody had tons of them. Here it is a couple months later after these things got introduced. Now I'm missing, and I need some regular USB Type-C cables because I don't have any more. They're all USB. I mean, I have a lot of USB Type-Cs, but I need regular USB cables. Just because some of my older products. Anyway, got that here. Got 2 ear tips. So my goal right now is to see how easy this thing is to sync up. Supposedly it's Apple easy. You just set this on the phone. So there's the phone. I guess you just put this on it. Oh, is that it? No. You probably have to open it. Oh, there it is. I didn't have to do nothing. Connect. To connect, to put the earbuds in your ears, then touch and hold each earbud until you hear a beep. Okay, let's try that. Now the earbuds themselves, in the case, it does say right and left. And they're shaped like a bean. So I don't exactly know how these are supposed to go in your ear. I honestly don't know how these go in your ear. Okay, they're very odd shaped. So put both in the ear. I forget how I just put that one in. How did I put that one in? They're shaped very odd. Okay, so it goes, I'm assuming I'm doing it right. They're not falling out. They're not going to fall out, definitely. But man, they're definitely word shaped. So to connect, put the earbuds in your ears, then touch and hold both earbuds until you hear a beep. I hear a beep in this ear, but not in this ear. Maybe I don't have this one in right. Boy, gone are the days when they, okay, that's it. But it's not. I hit cancel. I think I'm doing this wrong. Ooh, they're magnetic. They go in there magnetic. Okay, this is not as easy as Apple, Samsung to pair. I know Apple earbuds, you just set it there, flip the lid open, and it automatically connects. This here you have to touch, listen for a beep. I listen for the beep, but the application does not continue on. So, not as easy. I think I got it. I was putting them in upside down. You put them in, you twist them, and the touch sensitivity is on the back. Once I did that, yeah, they kicked up. Let's open up YouTube Music real fast, see if I got this thing right. Donnie Iris Aaliyah. Let's hear it. It's coming through my phone. That's coming through my phone. Yeah, boy, pain in the butt. Okay, I think I got it. Report diagnostic info. How to wear your earbuds, so it says. Yeah, see, it's upside down. Got it. You're all set. Okay, that wasn't really too difficult. They're 91% charged, and the case is 57% charged, which should be doing good. Activate noise cancellation. Let's do that. There's an update. Let's update. Doesn't take too long. Okay, yeah. It's just this weird shape. They're just very odd. These are not toys. They're not. Keep away. So these are the little earbuds. They came with 2 extras. And look how thin they are. The little pieces that go in your ear. They're very, very tiny, which is very odd. It would be nice if there was, in the charging case, there was a place to slide these and keep them. Samsung, next update, in the charging case, make a slot for these things so we don't lose them, because I have no idea where I'm going to put them. This is pretty cool. Now, I don't have to plug these in anywhere. I can actually flip my phone upside down, and because Samsung has reverse charging, I could just put these on the back of my phone and my phone will charge those. I like that. It looks like you get a nice little interface with an equalizer here. You can do touch, it teaches you, or block touches, touch controls, re-notifications, advances with Bixby. Also, so much stuff here. Find my earbuds. So I guess, I don't know if they beep or if it just locates them on a map. So much stuff here. Well, let's go for bass boost because I like a little bit of bass. There we go, and let's slap these things in. Put these in. The bean part goes at the top. Sounds good to me. Nice and in there. Wow, noise cancellation is really good. Not as good as the cans, because I got, ooh, the music started. How do you turn up? I should probably retouch controls. I don't know how to turn the volume up. Whoa. Wow. Okay. I don't know how to. Okay, one touch pauses. Okay. The volume, stuff like that, I have no idea. I'm gonna have to go through the application, but sound, yeah, once the music going, once it's going, it just blocks everything else out. I don't know how they do noise cancellation in something so tiny that doesn't go around your whole ears, but it actually works. It works pretty good. Definitely something to play with. One thing you got to consider though, they're not cheap. I think they're 169 big ones. So I'm sure you could find something else out there by a different company. But hey, if you have, where did my phone go? Oh, my phone's right here in front of me. If you have a Samsung Note 20 Ultra, Samsung Note 20, or any of the Samsung devices, might as well just keep in that ecosystem, right? I do it with my Pixel Buds, everything else. So, you know, might as well match the device with the device. Anyway, sound quality so far it sounds pretty good, and it seems like there is a lot to mess with in the EQ. Charging, you just put it on the back of your phone, and it charges through the wireless charging on your phone. So that's kind of cool. I like that. Anyway, guys, that's it for the Samsung. Ooh, sound by 8kg, the Galaxy Bud Live. Little beans that go in your ear. And they're actually pretty comfortable, and they're not going anywhere. They're not going to fall out. Not that I do much exercise. Anyway, guys, until the next time, quick unboxing of a quaint little product. Peace out, everybody.